What's good, Gadget Squad? Today I'm going to show you how to safeguard any home or room with GeekTale's Fingerprint Smart Doorknob. Once we unbox it, we're going to go over setup and installation. But for now, let's take a look inside. So inside of the box, we have our handy dandy user manual with instructions. Wrapped in plastic, we have the exterior and the interior doorknobs. Packed in a Ziploc bag, we have a strike plate along with Type A and Type B screws. The box within the box contains a single latch. It also contains 2 keys for the hidden mechanical keyhole and a warranty card, but I put that to the side already. I will say, before ordering, check your door's dimensions, and if you have a new door, drill your holes according to the template I have here. The backside of the door is measured from the edge of the door to the center of the hole. Now that we have our door's dimensions, let's go over to the door. So the first thing we're going to do is remove our current doorknob. Next, we're going to uninstall the single latch by unscrewing here. Next, uninstall the strike plate. Now that we set the stage, let's begin. We'll begin by installing the latch, opposite to the direction the door is closing. Then take 2 Type A screws and screw them in. Now that we have the latch installed, go ahead and grab your exterior doorknob and Type B screws. First, make sure this arrow is facing up. Next, slide the spindle through the latch. Make sure the power connector can make it past the latch. Here, the first thing we want to do is connect the power adapters from both knobs and store it in the knob hole. Next, unscrew the cover and push the knobs into each other. Now, we can screw in the Type B screws to hold it in place. This device will be powered by 4 AAA alkaline batteries. Make sure you're not using rechargeable batteries. There are battery indicators on the battery chamber that tells us the direction the battery should be placed in. After inserting the batteries, close the cover by aligning the battery springs to the batteries and screw the case back on. Finally, screw your strike plate in to finish the physical setup. Once your doorknob is set up and powered on, go to your app store and download the Geek Smart app, and make sure your Bluetooth is enabled. Once you're in, do the following. Tap Add Device and continue. Then select your device model and hit Next. After that, select your lock to connect to Bluetooth. Now, tap into your device. From here, go to Member Management, and then click on Me Admin and add a fingerprint. When you choose which finger you're gonna print, hit start. Alright, just give me a second while I... So this blue light indicates registration scanning. You're gonna need to place your thumb or your whichever print you use 6 times to register it. Afterward, name the fingerprint you're giving access to and hit save. This app gives us the convenience of unlocking the door with just a tap. Actually, let's go over to the door and look at the 3 ways we can unlock it. Like the previous option, all you have to do is go into the app and click into the device and click unlock. Which is cool because if you have a friend waiting for you, you could just let them in that way, especially if you're in another room doing something. But the option I was really looking forward to was the option to use my fingerprint. As you could see, you could fingerprint in any direction and it'll still recognize it. My suggestion for everyone would be to register a fingerprint from each hand in case one hand is loaded or carrying something. We're towards the end, I don't want to finish. But lastly, we have the mechanical keyhole. To insert, pull the cover and slide it over to the left. What I like about this is that even if someone had possession of your key and tried to get in, they wouldn't know how to use it. To open the door, insert the key and turn it to the right. Then grab the doorknob and turn that to the left. And thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.